learning station. Let's learn about brush your teeth. Welcome to kids learning station. Let's check your mouth. This is of your mouth. So then the mouth is dirty. We need to brush it. This is called the toothbrush and the toothpaste. With the toothpaste and the toothbrush. And now let's brush it.
Ahmed, brush the teeth. Yeah, the teeth. This is tongue, Ahmed. This is what? Tongue.
This teeth.
We need to take care of our teeth. We need to brush twice a day. And we need to less sugar drink.
And there are we.
Yeah.
We need to brush it off the teeth.
Okay.
And now let's check off your tongue.
Okay. Ahmed, you will use this hair to clean between the teeth, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So you need to take care of your teeth regularly. So
It is all done.
Ahmed, look at here. There are the taste buds. First, this is bitter, sour. There is 2 places for sour taste buds. This is salty taste bud. And this is sweet. All these places for sweet. So our tongue can sense 4 type of taste. And we have taste buds. So we need to take care of our teeth, yeah?
Okay. Now I need to brush off their teeth.
Yeah. So what you are saying, you need to take care for the healthy look. Yeah. Good job, Ahmed.
Now I need to. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.